Have a look at that. You want to get some of that, Daniel? Oh, it's getting hot now.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Now on the menu for you guys today, what I'm going to be making is something very simple, straightforward and tasty. It's some chicken, well, chicken thighs, chicken drumsticks and some potatoes. Simple food, easy, filling, tasty and all that good stuff. Fairly cheap as well to purchase from supermarkets. Anyway, enough of that. I need you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Flip it over onto Instagram as well. Follow me there. And now let's begin the show. Right, guys, to begin with, I've got that. That's the baking tray. I've got 4 potatoes. All you want to do is chop them up into rather thin slices, okay? What I'm going to do here is cut it in half, okay? And then not too thin, but also not too thick, yeah? 1.5 centimeters, maybe 2 centimeters. Don't be silly and go and getting out a ruler and all of that, but get what I'm saying? Catch my drift, yeah? Just on and off about there, right? This is all you want to do. See if you can flatten it out so it's, what do you call it? Not overlapping, preferably, if you can. If not a big deal. Then put down the knife. Job done, yeah? That's that. Okay, get your olive oil, sprinkle a little bit around it, not too much. Now for this one, I'm bringing a pan, which I don't need a pan, but I'll be using it to mix things with, right? So what you want to do is grab yourself some, if I can open it, turmeric. Okay, close that down. Some of that Persian gold dust, which is, oh wow, I haven't used it in a while, mate. Persian gold dust, saffron, okay. You got some, my God, I haven't used any of these spices for a while. Come on. Paprika. Okay. You got some pepper. Yada yada yada. Today would be nice. Okay. And then same thing with the salt. This is so long. Okay. I can get the lid on them, get them out of the way. You want to get yourself some tomato puree. Okay. There's that. You want to get yourself some lime juice. Okay, maybe more if we need any more. Now, I'm going to add some mayo to this, okay? Oops. It's going to give it that, right, what do you call it? And some olive oil. Okay. Now, here's what I'm going to use. First time using this, I hope it's good. Hope it's clean, yeah. All mixes in, and what you want to do is just mix the whole shebang back, right? This is your marinade, okay? I've already pre-washed or cleaned out the drumsticks. Took the skin off. Same thing with the chicken thighs. And now this is the sauce, right? So what you want to do, I just hope I've made enough sauce to make it all saucy. Drip out the last bit of water from there, dip it in. That's, I think, 4 or 5 pieces of drumsticks, 4 or 5 pieces of chicken thigh, obviously, all chicken. Yeah, give that a nice little wiggle. Make sure it all gets marinated nicely. And at the same time, whilst we're doing this, our oven is becoming hot, which is great. So it means it's not going into some cold oven. So we'll be a little bit more speedier than your regular timing, whatever man, I don't know. So what you want to do, one by one, 2 by 2, okay, put them on, yeah, stick it on there like so, get it on there, and try and like put it on there, right? Spread them out so they all cook hopefully nicely and not get all like cramped up and whatever on top of each other. Yeah, I'm gonna put this one, put one there, and then go. Oh, you're not fully marinated, are you? It would be nice to leave it in there a bit longer, but me being me and not having enough patience and wanting to wait, so here's the deal. You just slap it on there, right? Put it on the barbie, except it's not going on the barbie, it's going in the oven. Oh, there you go, okay? Now with the rest of that sauce that's left in there, you want to scoop it out, right? Don't be shy with it, don't put it to waste. Put it on top of the rest of your chicken. Spread it out evenly, especially to the bits that you can see that it could do with some more. Now, marinating your chicken obviously depends on you, what you want to put into it. You can put more stuff, you can take away some of the stuff, like me mixing tomato puree with mayonnaise. Some people might look at that and be like, what's going on there? So yeah, just your preference, whatever it may be. Bada bing, bada boom. Let this bad boy come here. All I'm gonna do, the final touch, I'm gonna be a little bit, yeah, a bit more salt. Okay, especially because the potatoes ain't got nothing on them either. Yeah. Some more pepper. You can't go wrong with peppers, man. Who doesn't like peppers? It gives it a nice taste. When one of them go underneath your tongue, the taste of that is Okay, this won't get copyrighted. Yeah, that's that. What I'm going to do now is get rid of these. I now have my foil where I'm gonna wrap it up. Okay, put it in there like so, and the next one like so. Okay, that is good. Now what we're gonna do, put this bad boy in the oven, leave it at 200, give it in half an hour, and then we shall be back. Oh yeah, that's nice and hot. See you later, mate. Let's see what we got. I hope yeah. Now get in there. All I'm going to do now is turn up a little bit more to, I don't know, 230. Yeah, I'm going to put it back in there for a little bit longer and take it from there. Okay guys, I'm not going to lie, I had a quick peek, but I think I burnt it. Woo, yeah. I think I caught it at a late time. One more. Blam! Have a look at that. You want to get some of that down? Oh, it's getting hot now. Right. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Okay, that is your. Let's dig in. Get that. Okay, you want to get some. Look at that chicken. Look at that chicken, guys. Come on, mate. Don't mess about. Get some of that down ya. The potatoes are bloody stuck. Wow, bloody hell. I should have put some foil or whatever underneath it. Not foil, baking paper. But never mind. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Some chicken. Well, at least it helped not for the thing not to burn, the chicken not to burn, the base of it at least, right? Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Right? That's basically it. And now, just to finish it off, a couple of pieces of parsley. Just casually chuck it on there. You can either really chop it up or just, you know, dash it on there. And that right there is your chicken and potatoes. Bon appetit, share, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come up